Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Fidelity account. First, decide which account best suits your needs, whether it's for retirement, investing, or saving for a specific goal. Next, prepare your personal details like your social security number and employer information. Having these ready will streamline the application process significantly. It's a straightforward path to begin your investment journey with Fidelity. Once you've decided to open an account, you'll need to select the specific type. Fidelity offers various options, from individual brokerage accounts for general investing to retirement accounts such as traditional or Roth IRAs, which come with distinct tax benefits. They also have specialized accounts for education savings or small businesses. Consider your financial objectives to pick the best fit for you. After your account is open, the next step is funding it. You can link your bank account for electronic transfers, set up direct deposit, or even roll over funds from an existing retirement account. Once funds are available, you can make your first investment. Fidelity offers a wide range of choices, from stocks and bonds to exchange-traded funds and mutual funds, helping you build a diversified portfolio. Managing your Fidelity account effectively involves regular review and adjustments. Take advantage of their robust online tools and research resources to stay informed about your investments and market trends. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you. Consistent monitoring helps ensure your portfolio aligns with your long-term financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.